Welcome to Drawliper channel. Today I will show you how to make keyboard bigger in your Android phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down. Then go to general management. Now from here go to keyboard list and default. Then go to Samsung keyboard. And then scroll down again. Then go to size and transparency. Now from here you can change your keyboard size. If you want to make bigger your keyboard, just tap here and you can set any size as you want. From here you can resize your keyboard. You can see it's the maximum keyboard size. Then tap on done. Now if you open keyboard again, and you can see in my phone keyboard is bigger now. Now if you cannot find this option in your settings app, then open up your keyboard. Then tap on this gear icon to open up your keyboard settings. From here scroll down again, and here it is. And that is how you can make keyboard bigger in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.